Hello everyone! Are you ready to start the English class with Miss Leah today? Today we are going to discuss about that is and those are. So if we want to ask about the thing which is far from us, we can use the pattern here. We can say, what is that? And then if we want to answer the question, we can say that is blah 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 and then tell the name of the things. How if there are more than one things? Look at the pattern here. So if we want to ask about some things which are far from us, we can use this pattern. We can say, what are those? And then we can answer the question by saying, those are blah blah blah. And then we can tell the name of the things. Okay, now let's see the first example here. In this example, the cloth is only one. So we can say, what is that? The answer is, that is my brown skirt. How about the picture here? Based on this picture, we can say, what is that? That is my white t-shirt. Okay, how about the next question? What is that? We can answer by saying, that is my blue t-shirt. Alright, now how about this picture? Based on this picture, we can say, what are those? Those are my shoes. Let's see another example. We can say, what are those? Those are my gloves. Okay, now look at the picture here. Because in this picture, the cloth is only one, so we have to say, what is that? That is my t-shirt. Okay, now look at the pictures here. In this picture, there are some clothes, so we have to say, what are those? Those are my... What is that? That is my bag. How about this one? What are those? We can answer by saying, those are my books. We have to remember if the things are more than one, we have to put S, my books. Okay, how about this one? We can say, what is that? That is my jacket. Based on this picture, we can say, what is that? That is a table. How about this one? We can say, what are those? Those are my hats. How about this one? What are those? We can answer by saying, those are my erasers. Okay, how about this picture? Can you try to make the question? We can say, what is that? That is my dress, or that is a dress. And then, based on this picture, we can say, what are those? Those are my pants. How about this one? What are those? Those are my socks. Alright everyone, I think that's all from Miss Leah today. Thank you so much. Bye!